Hello, everybody, and welcome to Prep with Miss Pam. Prep stands for Pam's Reading Enrichment Program. So today, we're going to talk about how important it is to introduce students to the concepts of the alphabet that will help them to be successful in reading and to clarify some of the confusion that they often experience when they're learning to read. So we're going to talk about the importance of their names. When they first get in school, it's a big focus on children learning to identify the letters in their name and recognize their names. Their names are on their desk, on their name tags. They are posted around the room, on the door or the bulletin board to welcome them to class. And they learn to recognize their name early, and hats off to parents who make sure they know them before they even come to school. So we are going to use their names to help them learn concepts that will be used throughout the school year as they develop their basic reading skills. Today, for example, we'll work with the name Layla. So this is how you can use a student's name to help them understand basic concepts of reading. Okay, so just say Layla is in your classroom. You would talk to her about the fact that her name has 3 vowels, and the vowels are A, I, and A. And so you can tell them, because keep in mind, as educators, we are following a program and a script that teaches them that A says A as in apple, and B says ba, and C says ka. But then when they start looking at books and reading stories, they see A making different sounds. So we want to clarify that confusion early, and we can do it in their names. So we can explain to the students that in the word Layla, it is the A and the I coming together as a vowel team to give the A sound you hear in lay, the first syllable. And you can talk to them about the number of syllables in the name Layla. Layla has 2 syllables. And the fact that, as I mentioned earlier, the AI makes the long A sound, but the A on the end is making a sound that's like which is not long or short. We call that the schwa sound of the vowel. And again, these are all the concepts that will help children to learn to read when they understand that vowels can work as a team, that the AI can make the long A sound as in rain and wait. That's the same pattern that's in the first syllable of Layla. And then the second A is making a schwa sound as in the word was, which they will learn in their sight words. So this lesson or this session is about using the students' names to introduce them to concepts that they need to be successful with reading. The understanding of vowel teams, the understanding of the schwa sound of A, the understanding that vowels can make more than one sound. And what I always tell my students is all those vowels, those 5 vowels and sometimes Y, have to make every sound that come out of our mouth. So if I'm saying hey, you, boy, do, those sounds are being made by a combination of the vowels. And that's why we need to introduce that principle early. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Prep with Miss Pam, and let's get ready to build a nation of readers.